So she says, everybody I don't want is magnetized to me though. Side note, you have the cutest eyeballs. Thank you so much. I've never been commented on my eyeballs, but I appreciate it. So with the whole everybody is magnetized to you though, that's because you have shifted your self-concept. And because you shifted your self-concept and you've been identifying as a version of yourself that everybody is magnetized to them, you are going to see evidence of everybody in your reality being magnetized to you because you have been identifying as that person. You have been showing up knowing that everybody is magnetized to you and you're incredible and you're the best of the best. So everybody is reflecting your consciousness and showing you who you believe you are. So that's amazing. So I don't know if this is true for you, but people will say to me all the time, or I'll have clients where they'll say, I've shifted my self-concept. Everybody, is calling me beautiful and I'm getting compliments all the time, but not my specific person. My specific person is treating me like crap. They're paying no attention to me. What is going on? So there's two different things that can be happening. One is, this is called birds before land, where you start identifying as the version of yourself who knows their worth, their value, knows that everybody is magnetized to them. Everybody thinks that you're incredible, et cetera, et cetera. And then people start reflecting back to you your self-concept because you changed internally, but not your specific person yet because, you still are attached to that old story of your specific person and you may find yourself having some resistance towards them. So usually it happens first where you're going to see it reflected back by other people before your specific person. But then on the other hand, if you are still focused on that old story of your specific person, they have no choice but to continue to reflect that back to you. So it doesn't matter how much that you work on your self-concept. If you are still attached to that old story of them, telling yourself they treat you like crap or they want nothing to do with you and they're ignoring you and they're happier without you, they are going to continue to show up as that version of themselves because they are always reflecting you. So this is why I tell all my clients and my followers on here that you want to make sure that if you are desiring to be with your specific person and you two have a past together where you are experiencing an unfavorable version of them, you want to make sure that you have not only changed your self-concept and how you view yourself, when it comes to love and relationships, but you also want to change that story of your specific person. Even if they're showing up right now in the 3D as the opposite, you want to focus on the desired version of your specific person that you want to experience because the desired version of your specific person is existing right now. That version that you want to experience with your specific person is existing right now in a parallel reality where you two are together and they are in love with you and you two are together and feeling happy together and everything is just amazing between you two. But if you keep on focusing your awareness on they are so happy without me, we're not together, then what do you expect is going to happen? So you want to make sure that your self-concept aligns with the story that you have of your specific person. So once you change both of those, you will have the most amazing relationship with your specific person. And not only will everybody be magnetized to you, your specific person is going to be head over heels. Head over heels in love with you. I hope this helped answer your question. Follow me for more tips.